Ačiū labai, Dovydui. Mes jau laukiam kitų metų, pažiūrėsim, ką ten išgirsim ir kas bus dar išmoksta dirbtinio intelekto. Ir dabar vėl visiems primenu tiem, kurie ateina į salę. Šitoje pusėje visada yra labai daug pačių patogiausių kėdžių. Nežinau, kodėl jų taip greit nesirenka niekas, bet jos yra pačios patogiausias. Galit patvirtinti, šito eilėje labai patogu sėdėti. Puikiai, puikiai. Koks vardas jūsų? Evaldas sako, kad yra puikiai patogu sėdėti šitoj pusėje, dėl to Evaldas jau laukia draugų, kurie ateitų ir prisėstų šalia jo paklausyti kito pranešimo. O kitaip ir negali atrodyti įėjimas ir kitaip ir negali būti, nes čia kitas pranešėjas yra tikra logino legenda. Tai tikrai daugelis nori ateiti paklausyti, aš jums priminsiu bendrą informaciją, pasikalbėkim truputėlį, tas porą minučių, kol čia žmonės suras prie Evaldo pačios patogiausias vietas. Prisėsti, dabar čia visi telefonuose kažką daro. Kaip jums loginas? Jums, aš į jūs. Taip. Taip, ane? Spėjat pranešimus taip nuo pradžių iki pabaigos paklausyti? Ne visus. Kiek teko jau taip išgirst? 4? Jūs juokaujat 4 pranešimus per pusę dienos ir sakot, kad ne visus. Taigi čia labai daug. Aš labai tikiuosi, rytoj irgi būsit, ar ne? Tai rytoj kiek planuojat? Sunku pasakyti, bet įsivaizduoju, kad to žinot, kur galite susiplanuoti kokioj programėlį. Taip? Programėlė Talk, T-A-L-Q-U-E. Taip, tuoj ateis daugiau žmonių. Aš truputėlį dar priminsiu jums, kokį vandenį reikia gerti. Čia žino, kokį vandenį reikia. Ar skanus vanduo? Jau išgertas. O buvo skanus? Kur nešit buteliuką? Jau valandą galvojat, ojei, pažiūrėkit, aš jums priminsiu. Unika sako, kad vandenį gerti sveika. Buteliukus, kurie lieka išgerus vandenį, reikia nešti iš šiukšliadėžės. Jos yra prie durų visur specialiai buteliukams. Šalia yra kitos, jos ten yra bendros šiukšlėms. Čia specialiai buteliukams. Tai kai paskui išeisit, kai baigsis viskas šitoje salėje, galėsite ten surasti ir padėti. Pasiliksit iki vakaro štai salėje? Ne. Ai. O gal dar sugrįšite. Aš jau žinau, kad tikrai daugas laukia pranešimo kito, bet tuoj vieni žmonės išeis ieškoti kitų pranešimų, kiti žmonės ateis ir susiras savo vietas. Aš primenu, kad Evaldas vis dar neturi nieko šalia ir čia yra daugybė vietų atsisėsti. Ir dar minutėlę šiaip liko iki pranešimo pradžios, aš dar truputėlį pakalbėsiu bendrą informaciją, bet jau labai nori eiti, ne? Labai nori, jau viskas. Ne, dar minutė liko man. Juokauju, tuoj mes ateinančių žmonių palaukėme, tegul jie visi ateina. Aš visiems ateinančiam dar pakartoju, šitoj vietoj yra nuostabus vaikinas Evaldas, jis laukia draugų, čia sakė daug yra tuščių kėdžių. Ir čia yra tuščių kėdžių. Ateikit visi, įsikurkite, susiraskite savo patogiausias vietas, nes čia ant scenos lipa Stealth Startup produkto vadovas, tikra logino legenda, Olle Pridiuksson. Let's build an AI application together on your phone.
Wow, it's magically working. Yeah, hello from Logino Legenda. Let's make like this small, nice video thingy. I'm actually live on the stage. Look, you're gonna see me in my Instagram. Let's start from this. That's the QR code. Let's zoom it in. You will need it. So, right. You all gonna participate in this for one single reason. If you're not lazy, if you actually do this, you will end up with an actual AI application right on your phone that you're gonna do it right now. And also, you know, like they say that AI gonna steal your jobs. So we're gonna create a personalized job coach today. So you will have a job coach on your phone if you actually take part in it. if you don't take part in, I mean, like if you're lazy, like for example, if your phone is running out of battery, even if you have this page, it's gonna have all the instructions so you can do it later at home, for example, and like. Good, 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 great. So yeah, Login', legenda, right? But the presentation is in English because my girlfriend is watching here, like live on screen. Nastya, hello. Right. So who am I actually? And like, okay, there is a context to why I'm talking about what I'm talking, and it's the context is like right here on this page. You have this on your phones. So I blogged about it. So who am I actually? Like, well, I employ job seeker, but like there is a context. Like basically, I created like this AI job coach, and we're gonna create something very, very similar today. That's one point. Second point, we're gonna employ this AI. You know, like we're taking that AI gonna take our jobs. So we're gonna employ AI. We're gonna let AI work. So within 15 minutes that we have left, you all gonna build a small AI job coach right on your phone. And in the meantime, robots gonna create 2 applications, similar, like 2 job coach applications. And also we'll have a UI mockup created. 15 minutes, right? Like just think about it. Cool. So if you, yeah, I mean, obviously you can add me on LinkedIn, you can tag me on Instagram, I like being famous, Login', legenda, and all this. So that's this. Right, one more thing. There are links. If you don't have Gemini on your phones, please install. There are links, it's convenient because you're gonna use it. So, install it, like Gemini is the Google's AI model, let's call it this way. If you're using OpenAI, ChatGPT, that's okay. But with this, it's just much more powerful, I think. I mean, I personally use it mostly these days. Right, so you're gonna need that to be able to create this AI assistant. And I wanna ensure that as you try this Gemini thing, you're gonna forget ChatGPT. And also, it's free and powerful. Right. So while you're installing these apps, let's do robots. Let's make AI do the job. So we're gonna say like, look, AI, go create a web app called Jobshua. That's a linguistic joke, Jobshua. And yeah, so let's just do it. Lovable, create an AI assistant for me that gonna help me find jobs. Bolt, do the same thing. Stitch, that's the brand new Google's UI mockup thing. Great designs. Cool, so let's robots do the job. Bolt is cooking, Lovable is cooking. And yeah, like you have all these links here, so that's very, very useful. And that's why you scanned this page, so you will have this at home. Good, Lovable is cooking, Bolt is cooking, Stitch is cooking. What about you? So you people, those who have or have downloaded Gemini already, let's just take this prompt. So Gemini gem prompt. You have this page, right? So just scroll a bit down, Gemini gem prompt. Take roll and goal and copy until here. Copy it and then just click on this link, Gemini gems. This link, this link, this link. Click on it, and you will be able to start a new gem. Just paste it into instructions, and let's call it something distinguishable, like Login is amazing, because it is. And that's it. We can instantly test it. Say, for example, what do we type? Let's type, because why not? So what's happening? Like, it works. Let's start. We can save it, and let's ask a good question. So this, I'm using 2.5 Pro, and I suggest you all use the Pro model, not the Flash model. 2.5 Pro, that's the thinking model. It thinks, it reflects. It's a great thing. So like with, let me zoom in. Yep. With AI taking all the jobs, how do I stay competitive? As who? As a, who do we have here? I don't know. Senior marketing person. And the fun thing that we can see what the AI does. It goes and Googles like, okay, let's think about AI impact. Okay, let's think about jobs. Okay, let's think about the landscape. And so that's how you can both understand how AI works and actually get a question. Thing is, because of our instructions were like, talk to me about myself. So each of you will have this Gemini app that's gonna learn about you. It's gonna talk to you, to each of you. You're gonna have it very personal. So for example, here it like instantly, well, it needs my CV. It needs like, it wanna learn more about me. So it can actually answer my questions. So that's cool. That's cool. Let's take a pause and see what our robots did. So that's what Lovable built. Discover your unique path. Okay, like it created some choose your adventure. It created some job archetypes. Let's see what Bolt built. That's our other website. So yeah. Also, I mean, it's sort of full-fledged. It works. It's with animations, and. We'll stick to it in a moment. And that's the mock-up of UI for the same thing. So it's not functional, it's only UI. Like all the pictures are AI generated. Yeah, so I prefer the design by Stitch. But again, I would need to export it to Figma and iterate on it. And here's what Bolt did, for example. Yeah, so it's again like that's the interface for the assistants. Let's start assessment. How do we get started? It would need my Gemini key. Oops. No, doesn't work. There we go. Like it even created this. What's that? Walkthrough for me to self-reflect on who I am and what I want. Let's actually see if it works, whatever. No? Does the actual AI work? I don't see that it's working. So like with these vibe coding tools, and you've heard today about vibe coding a lot, like you actually need to figure it out. Like it created this website, but it's a mock-up, and I would need to, like for example, ensure that the AI actually works, because I don't see that that's working. So yeah, let's Bolt cook. What about Lovable? So here's this thing. Begin a quest. So does this thing work? Also no. See? Like, the website is functioning, but like, where do I chat to my AI assistant? That's it. So it's starting programming upon my feedback. Same with Bolt. Let's get back, we have 6 minutes, let's get back to our own AI coach. So did anybody succeed? Like, did you actually go and create your gem? Anybody succeeded? Anybody actually followed what I'm doing? Success means that you actually went in, you created a new gem, and you pasted what I suggested you paste. If you did that, you would have a functioning job coach on your phone at this time. Recap this link. You click on it. You take the Gemini prompt. You copy it. You create a new gem. Second try. You save it. And in your Gemini app, Gemini app is this. You would have a personalized gem that would talk to you about your career. It would ask you questions. It would help you self-reflect about your career opportunities, about who you are, and what you are uniquely qualified for. So if you take a look at this prompt, you would see that some words are in caps, some are in bold, some are like, hey, remember, don't forget. In this way, talking to AI reminds me talking to a teenager. So if anybody has a teenager at home, like, do we have moms and dads with teenagers at home? So I see people nodding. So like, you're uniquely qualified to talk to AI because it needs to be persuaded to do something. It needs to be reminded. It's exactly like unruly teenager. So like, talk to AI in the same way you would talk to a teenager, and you will get things. And yes, and you can talk to it right now. I'm trying to see who wasn't lazy. So let's see what Bolt did. Does it work now? Let's try again. Yeah. So and go and fix. So with vibe coding tools, you never know if it's working or not. They tell you that, look, you don't need programmers, but in fact, these vibe coding tools, they create you something, and then it's like that. Like, you have to, okay, try again. This doesn't work. This is not cool. So, look, what? Okay, we have instant feedback. What does it say? Cool, it works. Hosting your horizons. Look, I had a plan there. I used to try. Like, what happened? Probably an affiliated person used a Lithuanian tool by Hostinger called Horizons, and was successful with it. So what do we have here? Swedish lovable didn't actually cook anything useful. Well, I mean, it's half useful. Bolt is American. It's also not useful. Well, I mean, it didn't work, right? Yeah, it didn't. I would need to go and fix it. And Hostinger Horizons, that's a Lithuanian tool, and probably it's one. I cannot verify it, but I trust this person. She looks credible, and she was able to build it. So what she did, she actually just went in and copied, well, this prompt and entered it into yet another tool called Hostinger Horizons, and was able to build something useful. So that's cool. But the rest of you, if you keep just this Google Gemini Gem, that's already good. Look, so we did at least 5 things today. Well, I mean, I tried to do it. We tried to create 2 websites using 2 different tools. Both tools failed. Hostinger Horizons according to this nice person, didn't fail. We ended up with AI creating a UI mockup for a job career coach service. And ideally, if you followed my advice and actually created your Gemini gem, one thing that I want to suggest that it also has like improvements, ideas for improving. And also once you're talking to your gem, there is some useful information. For example, you can add CV, or like upon self-reflecting, you can get some good insights about yourself. Then you would just go and edit your gem and add, for example, your CV or bits of information that are useful as knowledge. And then you have an even more powerful job assistant for you. So now we have 4 seconds before we end. I need one thing. Is it like, how confusing was to you what you have seen? Is it 5 out of 10 or 8 out of 10? Who thinks it's 5 out of 10? Who thinks it's 8 out of 10? Who thinks it's 10 out of 10? I think it was maximally confusing for most of you. Great, which means you're gonna go home 6 out of 10, okay. But still, like, either you comment AI or AI comments you, so you don't have a choice. Like, if you didn't understand what I showed you today, you have homework to do. Otherwise, you're gonna be jobless and poor. Well, just like me. But thank you all.
Olle Pridiuksson, ačiū. Ir mes keliausim toj prie kito pranešimo.